Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a random video, and sorry if you hear like cars and things go past. I'm in my living room, and yeah, and like the cars are coming from like just like behind me. Yeah, so this is just gonna be a random video. I might do burping in it. Yeah, I'll make it a burp video, and I don't have anything to drink. Okay, ready? Oh. So A A B. P. B. What's after P? Q. Sorry for that. Oh god, it's like great. Oh no, it's fun. Oh. Yes. It's like, oh. Yeah, okay. Do you want to see something really weird? Fair shot. I think this is how mermaids talk. Through shells. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Yeah, so it's just like in the inside, see those little rim thing, my bobs. I don't know if you can hear that. It's like we still have. I made this, and we still have this Easter last year. Oh my god. I'm pulling out random things. God, that sun's annoying. I don't think you guys will be able to see me. What if I just like black it up? Guess what? I woke up today at 2:30 p.m. But that was because I tried to have an all-nighter and I fell asleep at 4 a.m. Yeah. So that's my life for you. Because I was planning to make a video at 7. That didn't work out. Yeah, so it's 3:21. I'm gonna go now because it's almost 5 minutes of my rambling. Okay, so goodbye.